Hello students and welcome back. Yes, we are going to review our phonics and afterwards we're also going to work in our Sounds Great 4 book. But for now, let's review our phonics words. Please review with Teacher Dory. Brown. I have brown shoes. Eyed bride. The bride is beautiful. Brave. The soldier is brave. Break. You have to squeeze your brake if you go too fast and you have to stop. Crab. I saw a crab at the beach. Crow. There is a crow in the tree. Crane. You see many cranes when they're busy building new condos. Cross. Look at that cross. Frog. I'm scared of frogs. Friend. You are my friend. Frame. Let's put a picture in a frame. Front. Be careful when you walk in front of the car. That was really good, students. Thank you for reviewing the words with me. Now, go get your Sounds Great 4 book. I'll be waiting for you. Welcome back, students, and thank you for getting your Sounds Great 4 book. Unit 2, page 18. Let's do the exercises. Write the words in the correct boxes. We have 3 different boxes with different sounds. This box is the br box. This box is the fr box. And this box is the cr box. We have 6 different pictures and they all begin with a different sound. So let's begin with the br sound. Let's look at the pictures and see which of these pictures begin with the sound br. Let's have a look, students. Which pictures do you think begin with a br? Yes, bride. The bride is beautiful. Now let's look for another picture that begins with br. Very good. Brown. My shoes are brown. Let's move on to cr sounds. Let's have a look at the pictures. Cross. Excellent work, students. Cross starts with k. Cross. Crane starts with a cr. Beginning sound crane. Good job. Now, the last 2 is very easy. It's a fr sound. Front and frame. But I want you to do these 2 on your own, okay? Very good. Let's move on to the next exercise. Read and match. Read and match. Here we're going to read the sentences, look at the pictures, and then we're going to connect them with our pencil. We have 3 pictures. We've got a picture with a bride, a picture of a book, and a crow. Number 1, read with me please. See the front of a book. See the front of a book. I think it goes with this picture. Now take your pencil and a ruler and connect sentence number 1 with the picture of the front of the book. Sentence number 2, read with me. The crow flies. The crow flies. That's easy. It's this black crow. Take your pencil and your ruler and connect the sentence with the picture of the crow. Number 3, the bride has flowers. The bride has flowers. And here's our beautiful bride with flowers. So let's connect the dots. Very, very good, students. Thank you for doing your homework.